Our politician waiting dey happen. Waiting and they play with our life with. Waiting dey happen. PDP, APC, all na Nigeria. Not be only Nigeria get political party. Why be so na dey serve the interest of una oga una dis thing? Wetin dey happen? Is the way the country is going. I believe say this Nigeria go soon share into four pieces or five pieces. So e no go only be Biafra, Arewa, the Oduduwa. Even the Midwest, the Middle Belt, everybody go their way because the way this country is going, me self I don't tire. Because the people when they control us, now only their pocket they know. Now only Nigeria politicians dey. Now only they get two political party or 100 political party. Where will they go? Wetin dey happen? Okay, now see yesterday now, the governor of Cross River State don't drop PDP for APC because of his ambition. Where this ambition want drive us to? Now, as Nigeria situation was rich like this now, everybody, nobody even they remember saying a pastor, redeemed pastor, now be our vice president. Nobody even remember this one. Well, because things too make pity. As if Nigeria, nobody even did the country. Some say not be Buhari, some say not Jubrin, some say not this, some say not this. We are tired of the news. See, this news, I think it's time Nigeria, everybody start, if not fight, they want start to dey fight each other. Okay, look at the Niger Delta where they for they get the money. Job not there. The youth there is always fighting here and there. Me, I never see a country where basically the source of the country, they are not even enjoying the benefit of their country. If you go there, the water not be water. The common fishermen, they cannot even catch fish anymore because oh you don't drive every fish away for this region. Talk about farming. There's oil pollution. Talk about the environment. What time they play for Nigeria? How long are we going to keep doing this way? As I did now, I diverse because I support me Nigeria scatter into pieces. Fellow Nigeria, look, everybody should prepare for war. Everybody should prepare for war because Nigeria will not continue in the next 5 years. When you see a whole state government now, Benin, they want people they think say na be the best. If they dump People Democratic Party for Progressive Party, PDP and APC, waiting behind this one. Not just for his own pocket. Not be for the interest of common man. Now 2023 in the look for because they don't already promise us something. Now so other country they did. Now they travel, go other countries. Go to Africa country. Many are doing better now. See Nigeria, no foreigner want visit Nigeria anymore. Boko Haram did here, Fulani Esme did here, tribal war did here, police injustice did here, many things. I did do this video now, I know they do one for Nigeria. Each time I did watch YouTube, I did see the commentary how many African Americans are relocating to Africa. No one is even finding their way in Nigeria. Will you go to a place that you know that something will happen to you? Nobody go do one. This Nigeria one at the see so the Nigeria don't come out. You understand? The Nigeria don't come out. It don't remain here. Ria miss spoil. Now they understand so. Nigeria don't come out. It don't remain here. That year I'm 9 say everything don't here. Everything don't sector. See, we need to prepare for war. We need to prepare for war. War is coming in Nigeria. Hausa Fulani has well long prepared for their battle because they don't understand. I see a pain and waiting to do what they do. I want maybe Biafra do their own more because this country don't tire everybody. Imagine person not theirs. If family person break hand, now we not dey Nigeria, neither Boko. If we not dey machine, now we not dey Nigeria, neither Boko. If they want pay our strength, na person for abroad. Nobody they pick money for abroad. Nobody even did any one political party position for abroad. Everybody just they see the support. But now because of good environment and how government is still be able to manage their economy here. That's why people see they do okay here. Where you for coin, things not better for you. You gonna say then problem day. If na so everywhere be, who want they travel come up for their country, go another place. See, Nigeria don't scatter. See our Edo State. Last year, I know how I do video for this Obaseki. Now, which good thing person want point to me say Obaseki don't do? CCT enter the second term. Just point one thing when he don't do. Wait enable now. Where see Bible? And now they preach Bible again. And not say God did. If that man an honorable man, since this country they go like this, that man never supposed come up for this government. That man never supposed come up for government. A whole president, when he's saying no God, they don't turn out to husband in the name of politics, in the name of position. He not guess, he don't know left and right. I remember at that time, Basajo and Atiku, both of them, they fight each other. They fight each other. This man not even get any loyalists. Like, he just did that position like say he not did. He not even get one, even his state governor is not even loyal to him. Because he doesn't even know his position. Nigeria, we need to kaput that nation called Nigeria. May everybody go their way. So that the resources may get and they control you. Dubai when you see waiting that they live. Saudi Arabia when you hear waiting that they live. Our situation now don't worse past Venezuela. Waiting they happen. Where people they go cemetery, go they bring food when they eat. Waiting be all this nonsense. See Nigeria, boys go carry woman pants, they don't blow. You go they sleep, boys they go point you gun. If you not get, they go ask you why you not get. And at the situation when make them not get, when make them carry gun, and make you not get. Everybody don't want thief. Everybody don't go be thief. Nigeria, we are not going well. Our politicians prepare for war. Make una prepare for war because that money one at the steal. That money one at the embezzle. It not go well, it not go far. I remember last 2 years, I believe last 3 years, Igbene Johnson steal our money rich. In second son, as he graduate in America, he take his son to America. As he graduate, when they come for party, they happy say don't graduate. His son get accident and die. Now the thief kill him. Nobody carry gun to shoot him. The situation of Nigeria, where Ibori spent nearly 10 years for the money when he thief for office. Including his family and his sister. They convict all of them. Very soon, Nigeria not going to contain any of us anymore. Whether you are rich, you are poor. Last year, it almost began. We remember how this man take place that time. Waiting being the Jagaban of Lagos, Tinubu. As the thing they quench on, now make can come back. If he start again, because waiting make that one stop that time. Something like that never happened before. Boys not get waiting, they will lay their hands on. If he start this time around, boys not get joy. The nation they go burn on. Now wait till I get to talk about I do this one because the story one I did hear for that country is no longer useful. It's no longer happy. It's nobody get joy for that country. President, respect yourself because when you come abroad, people don't they get level now. Information don't they go fast. This is digital world now. This is digital world where basically before you board, people go know say this man want board and see the country when they go. I remember last year they nearly squeezed this man for Paris in France here. Nigeria don't fool everywhere. This one not be 1980. This is 1990. This is not 1990. This is 2021. People no longer get joy. Nigeria get population in every European and America, Asia country that our politician would like to run to. Everywhere you think about. Is it Dubai? Is it America? Is it England? Is it Germany, France? Where? Switzerland? We many for everywhere. Man, take una time because time not dey for una again. None of una children go ever enjoy that loot. One at the loot. Nigeria, wahala dey come. Politician, wahala dey come. Those mansions one at the build when security dey guide. A problem come. Those mansions will be burnt to ashes. Those mansions will be burnt to ashes. Those mansions will be burnt to ashes. Some of those money you are thinking you are hiding, the European will take it. The one you hide in Nigeria, boys go waste that money. Make una remember the story of Mobutu Sese Seko. When he get problem, all the country that he was friend to, they all rejected him. Now remember, they all rejected him. They all rejected him. Wetin happened to him? He died in exile, a country he never visited once. Now therefore died. They're not burying him for the Zaire when he for be king for 32 years. May we learn story. Remember the case of Abacha. Abacha thought it was all and all. His story no end well. Make una no come be like those people. This problem coming. There's problem coming. You better prepare. Nigeria, we are almost 200 million. It means to say you people are few. We are the masses. We outnumber you all. This is my message.